Good morning. So this will be my episode 3 in FS2. So in this episode is I will help my research teacher to give the students their assessment task. So sometimes my teacher give me a section to handle because she has a important meeting to attend. Then she will give me the assessment task, which is I will give to the section she will give it to me. So I will show you some pictures that I'm handling and giving them an assessment task.